Are you someone who wants to learn web designing? Are you someone who wants to land their first HTML, CSS and Java programming? If yes, this course is perfect for you. Hi, I am Prince Armstrong, and I will be the course instructor. We have advanced web designers with 20 years coding experience. With this course, you will receive 2 hours of online video training and 10 coding 2 hours daily experience. That's not all of it, you will also get a course completion certificate at the end of the course, lifetime access to all the course material, create your own web apps quickly, clear the Oracle Diploma Certification Exam, NVTI. There are no prerequisites to take this course. Enroll now. Find us on our website armstrongcomputers.org. You can also follow us on our social media handle. WhatsApp us on 02094613882, or 05072959961, and 02409333353. Armstrong Computers, bringing ICT to your doorstep.